Hi there. Are you a company or the owner of a company that sells services or products over state lines or as to a person or company in another state? If so, you've probably encountered the perplexing question of sales tax. My name's Katherine Taylor. I'm the lawyer for business owners, and I'm going to give you a little briefing, I guess, as to why this situation is so complex and why you should contact someone if you have questions about whether your company owes tax, sales tax in other states. So generally, for a business that sells nationwide or in more than one state, the question whether to collect sales tax in that state isn't straightforward. It's not straightforward because every state has its own rules, and each individual state has its own definitions of what services mean. What a digital product is, what a subscription service is, etc. And so navigating this is a continually and constantly shifting maze. This was made much more difficult in 2018 when the U.S. Supreme Court decided the case of South Dakota versus Wayfair. Wayfair is an online marketplace for home goods, decor, etc., furniture, and clearly sells in probably all 50 states and worldwide. In that case, South Dakota tried to tax the sales that Wayfair made in South Dakota to South Dakota residents, and the response of Wayfair was, no, you can't tax us because we don't have a physical location, a brick and mortar location in South Dakota. The Supreme Court basically held that that doesn't matter, that as long as there is sufficient activity or commerce within the state to create a nexus, it doesn't have to be a physical location. So that really opened the door to other states amending, their sales tax regulations to try to, in many ways, try to tax as much as possible because every state needs to have that revenue. So what does this mean for you? What it means for you is that it can be a difficult question if your company sells services or products that go into other states. I suggest you have you take a close look at whether or not your specific services and or goods are taxable in any particular state. We do this all the time. You can call us. Also, please, if you will, like this video, subscribe to the channel so that we can get our information out to more businesses. Thank you.